Hi, I am Phibet, and welcome to the channel, School of Physics. I am here to teach you, NCERT Physics to Class 11 and Class 12 students. So, in today's video, I am going to teach you the first chapter of Class 11 Physics, and that is Units and Measurements. These are the topics in this chapter, and the topics are grouped separately with 2 or 3 topics in a group, and each group of topics is going to be explained in separate videos. In this video, I am going to teach you the first 2 topics. So, let us start. So let's start with the first topic, Introduction to the Unit. So, what is unit? Unit is one of the important basic concepts in physics. Without unit, it is impossible to express a quantity. For example, consider a body capital A moving from one point to another, and let the distance traveled by the body be x. So if we write the value of distance as simply x, then we cannot say whether it is the distance traveled or time taken, etc. So in order to say what a quantity refers, or shows, then we need a reference, and that reference is known as unit. Here, the reference we use to identify the distance is kilometer, and that's what is the unit used for measuring distance. So, unit is the standard reference used for measurement. Example, meter, kilogram, second, etc. Units are mainly classified into 2. One is fundamental units, and the other is derived units. So let us check what are fundamental and derived units. Fundamental units are those units that are given for base quantities. Example, meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time, ampere for current, Kelvin for thermodynamic temperature, etc. Now, what are derived units? Derived units are those which are derived from base units. It is the combination of 2 or more base quantities. For example, take velocity, the unit of velocity is meter per second. Here, the fundamental unit of length and the fundamental unit of time are combined together to form a single unit, so we can say that meter per second is a derived unit. Now, let's move on to the next topic. International System of Units. The different system of units of measurement are CGS system, MKS system, and FPS system. The above 3 systems were used by different countries, like MKS system of measurement was used in France and other European countries, then FPS system of measurement was used by Britain, etc. So, the scientists realized that using different standards will be difficult. Because, if a scientist from France go to Britain, then it will be difficult for him to conduct an experiment there, because the system of measurement used in Britain is different from his country. So, in order to solve this problem, a new internationally accepted system has been introduced, and that is called the International System of Units, or simply, SI system. The SI system is a rational, coherent system of units, which is highly useful in practical and theoretical work. The SI system has been formed with 7 well-defined, totally independent units, and 2 supplementary units, one for plane angle and the other for solid angle. The 7 basic fundamental units in SI system are meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time, ampere for electric current, Kelvin for thermodynamic temperature, mole for amount of substance, and candela for luminous intensity. Now, let's go and learn something about radian and steradian, which are the 2 supplementary units in SI system, other than the 7 basic units, which are for plane angle and solid angle. Radian is the unit of plane angle. Consider a circle of radius r. If an arc of length equal to the radius of the circle is drawn on the circumference of the circle, then the angle subtended by that arc to the center of the circle is called a radian. 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. Steradian is the unit of solid angle. Consider a sphere of radius r, then, the angle subtended by a small area dA on the surface of the sphere to the center of the sphere is called a steradian. One important thing is that the value of the area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. 1 sphere is equal to 12.57 steradian. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, then please visit our website, where the link is given in the description below. In our next video, I am going to teach you the next 3 topics, that is, measurement of length, measurement of mass, and measurement of time. So, if you like today's video, then please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.